So one of our followers sent us some pictures of their project car.
Oh,
Wanted us to share.
fun. Let's see.
This is COD's
Oh, it's a G8.
2002 Holden Commodore. He commented on that video, and he's like, "Here's my G8."
when I did that. Well, I'm sorry, man. I am sorry. Maybe it's not my cup of tea, but I think. Oh, and it's a 4-door.
It's the Commodore 4-door.
Right.
It's the 4-door version of that GTO.
Yeah. So is he then in Australia?
He's in Australia. Mm-hmm.
Well, you know what, dude? It looks like you love that car. It looks like you're spending time and energy on that, and good for you, man. Rear-wheel drive. Wow, he's done a lot.
Mm-hmm. Supercharged V6.
Wow.
So
That's a rare one. Supercharged V6. That
started
cool.
life as a 2002 Holden Commodore VX Series 2. It has the L67 supercharged 3.8 liter V6. And he got the car, and whoever he bought it from said it needed like new, I don't know, it was a head gasket or something. But as he took it apart, he realized it needed a whole rebuild. So he rebuilt the whole thing, upgraded to an M90 supercharger, upgraded all parts of the drivetrain to handle the increased power, upgraded the brakes and suspension, did it all himself. I think he had a shop help with like some of the machining and stuff. And he did this when he was 17 years old.
Wow.
Did it for 2 years.
Yeah, beat me.
Yeah.
I did the straight six and the slant six in Logan's car when I was 19.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah. I spent $3,500 in the car and $30,000 in upgrades.
Hey, you know what, man? Enjoy it. Enjoy it.
That's $2,300 US for the car and $20,000 in upgrades.
Right.
Still
because the dollary dues don't go as far as they should.
Dollary dues. Yeah. Next is to add a performance intercooler system. He's going to get a dyno. He hopes to be making in the neighborhood of 400 horsepower. So pretty cool.
Hey, that's great. Yeah. That's awesome to see people. I love when people just dig in and they just no F's given, just lay into a project and really go after it. That's awesome.
I think it's super cool. I love the Commodore platform. That's what the Utes built on.
Yeah.